Dude in there.
That's all I gave you?
Yeah, maybe a little bit. Oh.
All but hands on them. We'll get all of it.
There's all over his face. Here, some chicken. Ah, stop!
Here.
He's picking on him.
Don't nap him.
That one.
Come here. Hey, little guy. Pick at it. I dropped the corn.
Did he eat out of your hand?
Yeah.
He won't eat the corn. He's eating the corn. Ah, corn, my corn. You got my corn. Don't take my corn. My corn.
Ah! He ate out of my hand.
I want to go on the corn.
Yes, he will. He tried to.
You can't grab it. Oh, Dad, take my corn. He got the corn for me.
Put it in there, Haley.
Eat the corn.
Haley, it don't hurt. Look.
Even if it does bite you, it don't hurt.
It don't hurt, Haley. Trust me. Try it.
Ah!
You scared?
Scare me.
Yeah. See him like that. Look that, take that.
They scare me.
Take the chicken. Chicken, eat the chicken.
Is that what?
Eat chicken!
Don't do that.
Eat chicken!
Just throw it in like that. Just throw it in.
I'm trying to.
Don't throw it on man. Maybe throw it on his back and he's gonna get eaten. Oh my god, see? He's gonna get eaten.
Eat the chicken. Oh my god. Bird, eat the
Let
food.
me see it. Hey!
Oh my god, they're not trying to eat the food I'm dropping. Hey, little guy. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Come here. That guy's scared.
They're just like right up here. Come on.
Don't eat my finger. Don't eat my finger. Please don't.
Give me some more kisses.
Hurry. I don't know what that is. I'm not gonna eat it. Eat the stupid thingy. You don't like corn. He's a meat ass.
He's a meeting.
This little guy's favorite because he doesn't talk. He doesn't like coming to the other side. Eat food. I got it.
Hey.
Come here, chicken. Come here, chicken.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. Bye. Alright, so we're at the bird sanctuary. Wild bird sanctuary thingy. We're taking pictures that we're gonna be uploading to Instagram. So I guess I'll put my Instagram down below so you can check out the pictures. So we're making this video for girl. Those are eagles. Guys, they're terrible. Luke 22. Some kid made this. That's impressive. He made this one too, and that one. He makes tables. It's so impressive, but yeah. Everything's ready now.
I left my back there.
But,
The map, I left it back there.
look for you. But there's turkey vultures.
Oh,
Vultures scare me.
I didn't hear anything. Why is it?
Vultures scare me. They like attack me. That seems
I have
weird.
6.
Why does he have 6?
Because he wants 6.
He wants to eat them?
So,
That's crazy.
You're gonna make a mess.
That's good for him.
Spit it out. It's a girl.
Shut up. What's wrong with
I pet him.
No. I'm gonna give her a stick. You want a stick? A stick?
You would give her a stick.
No,
You
don't
can't
take
laugh.
the stick.
There's a little people
What have you seen?
don't smack the cage.
That's a lesson.
Wait. Oh, he puts him back up.
He doesn't know where to put it.
Wait. He's scared. He's like, what the heck?
No. What's he have?
What?
That weird thing.
The weird fish. Oh, she says a bird. I think there's really a bird. I thought, oh my god, there's another bird.
The bird up in the egg.
Where? All that.
It's a turkey vulture.
Well, there's turkey vultures right there. Maybe one of them got out. Don't kill us. You know they eat meat from people? At least that's what they did in Lion King. I think, right? Oh my god.
Whoa! Big wingspan.
Whoa, big wingspan, dude. Pull it.
Awesome. God, a little hat in my face. Purple turkey! We have turkey's dinner!
Give my hat. Shut up. Tell her to be quiet. Can I wear your hat, Dad? Can I wear your hat? Yeah, your hat. Can I wear your hat?
No.
Yes.
Can't get it off the nut.
Sarah!